Cambridge Core includes a dedicated organization dashboard for librarians and administrators, as well as individual account settings. Navigate to the My Account section. Notice your access and authentication, as well as your account settings. If you need to change your account holder's email address, please contact us directly for support. If you need to activate a subscription, you should have a 10-digit number that was sent to your email inbox. To locate content requests done by users at your organization, click here. When users click Recommend to Librarian on unavailable titles, requests appear here with the title, number of requesters, and notes. This supports evidence-based acquisitions. Under Content Holdings, you can clarify exactly what journals and content your organization currently subscribes to. See all subscribed or owned journals and books, and export to Excel with metadata like ISBNs and editions, ideal for reporting and catalog updates. For book holdings, go to KBART. Here, you can download a holdings report. This is based on your organization, order, or package. For discovery and metadata, Cambridge provides MARC records and OCLC control numbers, linked here under MARC records. That content is linked via persistent DOIs, helping your discovery layer index content accurately and reduce manual work for staff. You can limit or expand your data discovery as you prefer. You'll also find promotional resources under Marketing Support and training materials. We'll cover usage statistics and Counter 5 or Counter 5.1 reporting in the next video. See also training materials and guides if you have further questions. Quick user videos are available for you anytime.